Welcome everyone. Welcome to today's session. So we will discuss about the projects and our expectations and how things will go in this term. Okay. So yeah, as you know, there will be the project for this term is visual study of loan repayment behavior. I hope my screen is visible, right? Hello. Can someone confirm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you might have gone through the data set. It's the loan finance data.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So what you have to see is that there, in the dataset you will see three files: application data, previous application data, and column description. So all the details will be mentioned here. So what you have to do is that you have to explore this dataset. And earlier we used to provide some sample questions also. This time we haven't provided that. So just go through the description and see. The aim should be to how you can, save the say. Increase the revenue of your bank or something. Okay. There can be two ways you can do it, but first of all, as you know, if you are passing a loan to a person who is not, who won't be able to pay, this way, this way your money will be stuck, right? And in case if you do not pass the if you do not approve the loan of those people who can pay, then there will be a loss of revenue, right? So yeah, this is all about this data set, and you have to come up with the insights so that you can give the loan to the genuine customer, okay, now who will be able to pay. So yeah, that those insights you have to show them into a proper I would say presentation format. And apart from that, what you have to do is that you have to also make one interactive dashboard. Okay. So yeah, if you see the objective, so first understand the goal, prepare the data set, and proper do a proper EDA, and also explanatory visuals. Okay. So first of all, what I have seen from the previous term notes, so that's why I have tried to create this document. First of all, so few people what they do is that I'm not talking about the top 50%. Okay, I'm talking about the bottom 50%. What we have observed previously is that few people are a bit confused about like exploratory visual and explanatory visual. Okay. So just you should not only explore the data, you should also come up with the explanatory visual part so that you can explain like what will you do. Okay, and what would be the insights, like what you should what decision you should take to improve the yeah, revenue. So that should be there. And apart from that, when you are talking about your complete presentation, no, there should be a coherency. It should not be a random thing. So what we have seen previously also is that there were few batches. What they do is that there are 3 4 people, different person is doing different thing, and they have just clubbed their work together in the slide, and then they talk about their own part. So this way, no, simply directly we can observe that, okay, you are talking about different aspect. It's like you are answering some questions. It's there is no flow. There are not any type of flow or something. Okay. So what we, apart from this visual presentation, we also expect some kind of storytelling. Okay. There should be coherence in your presentation. Okay. So that is very much required. Whatever work you all of you are doing, no, we want to see that as a team effort. It should not be like an individual person's effort. So that you should take care in the mind. And also like whatever you are talking in your presentation, no, just go with the flow. Okay. So that is what I would suggest. So deliverable, in the deliverable part, we expect three things. We want you to show a interactive dashboard. So and then a final presentation which will happen somewhere around 13th and 14th December. Okay, that is tentative date for this presentation. Apart from that, on the same day we expect you to submit technical report. Okay, in code repository, whatever you have done. So there is no limitation of any particular coding tools or any particular tool like which you have to use or which you are not allowed to use. You can use any tool, anything. Okay. We are more worried about this visualization part, not about this coding part. Okay. So we won't yeah, as I'm saying, we won't deal most our focus won't be on the technical aspect. Okay. So it will be more on the like your presentation skill, and not only the presentation skill, mostly based on your visualization skill. If you see the marking pattern, it also gives you a clear idea. See, data visualization, this is something like where you are getting 30% of your marks, right? Data analysis, obviously, it also consists of a good weightage, because I mean what you are presenting, no, that also matters, like what kind of point you are keeping. So that also consists of 20 marks. So what I am saying is that, I mean, immediately after presentation, uh, ideally we expect you, like once you are done with the presentation, no, on the same day at the same time you have to submit your technical report and code repository. Technical report can be like a, yeah, 5 to 6 pages thing. So and also one thing, when we see the presentation, we expect you to give a hardly 15-minute presentation. Okay, in that 15 minutes, whatever you will be able to cover, keep only those things in your slides. Or if you have kept your slides, well, just skip that part. We do not want you to, I mean, stretch it. Ultimately what we see is that we also start punishing people, like when they go too much beyond their dedicated timeline. So in the presentation, me or Tripti will just give you some blink, some sound or some emoji notification, so that you can understand, okay, the time is somewhere around, I mean your time is up. So we expect you to wrap up your presentation in 15 minutes, so that, I mean, next 5 minutes we will ask questions. Okay, and then yeah, next batch will come. So that is our expectation. And yeah, in the worst case also, now, I mean, we cannot allow you to more than 30 minutes. I mean, sometime we have seen that, okay, I mean, some people have strategic, but at the because of that, no, I mean, uh, prof is also not happy. I mean, in those cases, prof will also, I mean, he will also ping you that, okay, I mean, just please wrap up. So instead of that, I mean, so what I would suggest you is that plan your presentation within 15 minutes, that you can talk about all the important aspects. And if you see that, if you think that, okay, something is there, I mean, which we should see, so keep all those things into your technical report. Technical report, you can keep it detailed, like whatever you have, put all those things in that report. Okay, and it is not that, I mean, me or prof won't see that, we will see that, and based on that we will assign marks for different many things also. Okay, so yeah, that's why, I mean, put those things into your technical report and code repository, that prof won't see, I mean, we will see that. But yeah, technical report, even prof will also see. So that is there. That is about final presentation. So what we will do is that in this, I mean, from today onwards, like next Monday, or yeah, Monday and Tuesday, I do not know, I mean, based on Tripti's availability. So she will meet all of you, I mean, each group every week. So there will be 2 meetings with her, okay, for each group. So she will most probably Monday or Tuesday, I do not know, I need to check with her. So she will create a slot, okay, and where what you have to do is that you will, each group will join, and they will showcase their I mean their progress. Okay, so this is something which we expect you to complete in week 1, this is something which we expect you to complete in week 2, and this is something which we expect you to complete in week 3. So obviously after week 3 there will be presentation only, so I mean you can expect that there won't be any meeting for this one. Okay, after week 1, as I'm saying, next Monday you can expect that there will be one meeting with Tripti, where you have to showcase all the presentation. She will ask some cross questions also. See, the aim of this meeting is two things. First of all, that, okay, each group is making regular progress. Second thing is that we are also checking whether each person in the group is working or not. Okay, so these two things. Yeah, so our aim for these, I mean, weekly meeting is this only. Okay, so yeah, that is something. Okay, and also please remember, this weekly meeting also carries marks, 2.5 marks per meeting. Okay, if you see consistent progress, it carries 5 marks. So 2.5 marks for per meeting. Okay, so that's how we assign the marks. A technical appendix, I mean, same thing. Okay, so yeah, you also have to submit technical report, and that's those code part. Okay, yeah, so that is there. Okay, yeah, so that is the rough, I mean, yeah, I would say, yeah, that is the details what I wanted to convey. Now, I mean, if you have any questions or any doubt, we can discuss that. Okay, anyone, if any wants to ask any questions, or I mean, yeah, something you want me to discuss, I can talk about that also.
So is there a
Anyone?
scheduling
Yeah.
system for the meetings?
Yeah. So Tripti will be in touch with you, and she will ask you. She will share the slots. I mean, you can book that.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. Thank you.
Oh.
So same for the final presentation, right? We'll have a choice of slots.
Right. So it would be
Okay.
something like I mean, roughly I'm saying, I mean, that week only 14th or 13th, this I do not remember exactly. Saturday and Sunday, 7 to 9. Okay. Something like
Okay.
that. Yeah. 2 hours. Okay. We will share you the slot 7 to 9 or 6 to 10. I do not remember exactly. I mean, that we will see. But yeah, that will be there. And yeah, we will share the slots. Okay. And
Okay, sir. Thank
yeah. Okay, ML ops OPP on 14th. Then you can book your slot on 13th because that is the only week we will get. Otherwise, yeah, later prof will be also busy. Okay. So yeah, 13th and 14th. Yeah, that is the only date we have. So yeah, 2 dates will be there. I mean, you can book your slots based on your availability. And also on the ML ops OPP will be till 7:30. Yeah, I think till 8 max, right? By 8 p.m. you will be able
Yes,
to
sir.
complete your ML ops OPP. Then after that also you can join. Okay. Uh, Something else you guys want to discuss? Just few suggestions I would like to give you guys. See, go through the previous presentation and especially the point. I mean, especially go through those points like where prof is giving the feedback. Okay, that will give you a good idea like what we are expecting. Okay, and after what I would suggest to you is that I mean skip that part of the presentation, or if you want to hear the presentation of some group, you can hear that. But definitely go through the feedback of prof. Okay, what type of questions he's asking, what type of I mean, yeah, what type of questions he's asking, what type of feedback he is giving. Okay, so that will help you a lot to align your I mean align your presentation as per prof's expectation. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I think that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, also like the group is open. I mean, okay, you can ask there. I don't have anything to say now.